We're at Hychamar Shipyard here, and we've got the chains ready to go for installation. Behind me, you can see 3 different bundles. We've got over 230 meters of chain in each bundle, which weighs upwards of 15 tons. And over here, we've got the 3 baskets of smaller installation length chain, which we'll use to hook up to the pre-installed anchor chain on location when we tow out the hull. So this is one of the Kenter shackles. These are how you connect different lengths of mooring chain. So typically a mooring chain will come in 27.5 meter long lengths. So obviously to get upwards of 230 meters in a single length, you need something to attach it. So this one probably weighs about 20 kilos. And I believe is a 52 millimeter grade 3 Kenter shackle. So this should be rated for about 2,000 kilonewtons.